Welcome back to my channel. In this video, prepare to dive into the world of amphibious vehicles where land and sea converge in the most epic way possible. Get ready to be amazed by this top 10 greatest amphibious vehicles ever created. Each one of them has unique capabilities and features that push the boundaries of what's possible. But before proceeding to the ride, it would be appreciated if you subscribe to my channel so you'll never miss any updates from me. Done subscribing? Okay then, let's get started. Number 10. Car Panther. The Car Panther is an innovative mix of SUV and boat made by the California-based firm Car. It has a claim to fame because of its capacity to traverse both landlocked and aquatic terrain, as well as the amazing ease with which it converts from a road-going SUV to a seafaring boat. Aside from this incredible achievement, the Panther lives up to its name in terms of speed, driving at a respectable 80+ miles per hour on the road and 44 miles per hour on the water. The Panther also includes a 6-slotted grille, a folding windshield, a half-door roll bar, and a fiberglass V-type hull, allowing the rider to go at high speeds on the water. The Panther in its entirety may be purchased for $158,000. Number 9. Gibbs Biscuit. This biscuit will assist you in redesigning your complete two-wheeled experience. It is a land-based scooter with a 55 horsepower twin-cylinder engine. But get this, it can be transformed into a water scooter at the push of a button. This vehicle was designed by Gibbs Amphibious, a business recognized for its innovative thinking as well as reliability. Surprisingly, it can reach speeds of up to 80 miles per hour on land and 37 miles per hour on water, thanks to its 55 horsepower twin-cylinder engine. To transition from land to water usage, simply press a button, wait for the rear tire to fully retract, and you're ready to go. Number 8. Sherp ATV. The Sherp ATV is one of the market's most desired all-terrain vehicles. The Sherp, famed for its ability to tackle any terrain, overcomes rocky terrain as easily as it cuts through fallen trees. Obstacles have been demonstrated to be insufficient to stop this vehicle on its rampage, with a video showcasing the Sherp overcoming heights as tall as 70 centimeters high. The Sherp can float in deep waters and move at a reasonable pace of 28 miles per hour on land and 3.7 miles per hour in water because of its 800-liter capacity tires. It can also plow through everything man or nature may throw at it. A Sherp ATV may be purchased for only $65,000. Number 7. ATV Shaman 8x8. Another remarkable amphibious ATV from Russia is the Avtoros Shaman 8x8, which is quite large. The entire size is 20.7 feet long, 8.2 feet wide, and 8.9 feet high. The vehicle has 8 wheels as the name implies. The ground clearance is around 18 inches, and the turning radius is a little less than 25 feet. Because the vehicle's front and rear wheels may move in opposing directions, it can practically drive around itself. An Iveco F1C 3.0-liter diesel engine with up to 170 horsepower provides power for this beast. This giant has a curb weight of 4,800 kilograms and a maximum payload of approximately 1.5 times the weight of the vehicle. With the optional propeller connected, the top speed is 44 miles per hour on land and 4.3 miles per hour on the water, while the average fuel consumption is 9.4 miles per gallon. Number 6. Gibbs Quadski. The Gibbs Quadski appears to be a vicious cross between an all-terrain vehicle and a jet ski. One of its most striking characteristics is its capacity to convert from one to another with a simple click of a button. This equipment is driven by a BMW Motorrad K-1300 engine, allowing it to reach speeds of up to 45 miles per hour on land and water. Carefully designed from lightweight materials, the Quadski features a composite hull, broad track, and low center of gravity, all of which contribute to stability. The Quadski has a land range of over 600 kilometers and an over-water range of up to 2 hours. It is for sale in several parts of the United States, with prices starting at $40,000. Number 5. Amphiby Bus. This wonderfully called vehicle is an amphibious bus, just as the name suggests. The Amphiby Bus was designed in Holland by the geniuses at Dutch Amphibious Transport Vehicles to be a one-stop solution for all tourist transportation needs. Specifically engineered to resist the rough conditions seen in harbors worldwide, the Amphiby Bus made its debut at the notorious Rotterdam harbor, where it performed brilliantly. It's a 12.8-meter long beast that can carry up to 50 passengers and is built on a modified Volvo bus chassis, with a hull attached to stay afloat on water. This is completely certified by European transport regulatory authorities and is powered by a Euro 5 engine and twin water jets, allowing it to reach speeds of up to 8 knots in the water and a top speed of 60 miles per hour on the road. Number 4. UHAC. The Ultra Heavy Lift Amphibious Connector, UHAC, is a new transport vehicle designed by the United States Marine Corps for ferrying personnel, tanks, and trucks from ships to land and back. This heavyweight transporter can also chug along at a decent clip speed of up to 23 miles per hour while transporting cargo weighing up to 200 tons. It was the result of years of research and development at Navitech with funding from the Office of Naval Research. It was intended to travel both on the seashore and over obstacles up to 3 meters high. This magnificent beast is the product of tank-like treads coupled with collected air foam cells that provide buoyancy in water and function as paddles, but also assist the UHAC in driving on diverse terrain and across land. Number 3. Geo Rescue. The Rescue is an amphibious vehicle designed by the Romanian business Geo Motors that appears to be influenced by movie zombie apocalypse scenarios. The 17-foot-long four-wheeled monster has enough room to transport 11 persons through the most difficult terrain. To keep the 6,400-pound vehicle afloat, all four wheels may be equipped with inflatable pillows. Tank-style tracks may be installed on the back wheels when the road is buried deep enough beneath snow. It can also contain over 200 gallons of water and a variety of hoses and pumps, allowing it to be used as a fire truck in an emergency. Number 2. Borlak ATV 6x6. This oddly titled vehicle was specially developed to withstand Russia's normally difficult terrain and boasts amphibious capability, as well as a 6x6 drive to plow over ice, sand, river, and swamp. The vehicle can transport 9 passengers as well as 2 tons of weight, and yet travel at a peak speed of 50 miles per hour on solid terrain. Using a propeller, the amphibious vehicle can go at slightly under 4 miles per hour on the water. It has an aluminum body to reduce weight and is powered by a 150 horsepower Cummins 2.8 ISF engine. It is also extensively insulated to keep passengers warm and comfortable, and it features a strong back propeller that may be used to plow through bodies of water and sheets of ice. Number 1. Iguana Commuter. The Iguana Commuter is an imaginative reinvention of the conventional amphibious vehicle that follows the concept of animal-inspired vehicles. This amazing vehicle uses retractable caterpillar-like tracks to go at 5 miles per hour across a variety of terrain while speeding through the water at up to 46 miles per hour. This vehicle is large enough to function as a mode of transportation while also being luxurious enough to function as a home away from home. It is propelled by a 40 horsepower onshore engine. Onshore, the boat is controlled using a convenient joystick. If all of this sounds appealing, you can acquire the whole kit, which includes a carbon hull outboard engine and an inboard engine for $659,000 US. Did you enjoy the list of the top 10 greatest amphibious vehicles ever created? I had a lot of fun researching and creating this list, and I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed compiling it. Do you have a favorite amphibious vehicle that I didn't mention in this list? Share it in the comment section below this video. And don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to my channel so you'll always see my latest videos. Thanks for watching.